Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to translate emails in Gmail. Friends, if you want to translate a received email, then you need to open Gmail app. Now here open the email which you want to translate. Now this email is in Hindi language. Now to translate it in English, you need to press on the three dots. Now here press on translate. Now it has automatically translated the Hindi language to English. Now if you want, you can change the language. For that you need to press on the setting icon. Now from here you can select the language in which you want to translate the email. Now here select the language. Now here you can see it has translated the email in Punjabi language. So friends, like this you can very easily translate any email in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.